zoom in, then select your pen tools and make a quick selection. You can make use of any of the tools, maybe like the laser tool or the quick selection tool, but I'm making use of the pen tool to get it accurate. When you are done, left click on it and select make selection. You can leave it feather radius 0. Then when you are done, press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Okay, I got a mistake here. This thing was not invited, so you press Ctrl Z to adjust it if yours does not have problem. You press Ctrl J, convert it to smart object, and change the blending mode to screen. When you have that shiny look, and go to blur, select Gaussian blur and change the radius to 6. Then press OK to give us a smooth edge. Press Ctrl J again, double click on the Gaussian blur and change the radius to 140. When you have something like that, you can press OK. Press Ctrl J again. Then double click on the Gaussian blur, change the radius to 280. Yes, thing bring more feather. You can see how it's really faint inside. That's what we are looking for. The lightning. Just follow closely to get it accurate. Then you go to your hood and saturation, make it clipping marks, click colorization, colorize, increase the saturation and the hood. But I think we made a mistake here. The light is not glowing, it's not following the color. So sorry, please press Ctrl Z, then press Ctrl Alt and Z. Go back to this part. So we group your layers, then we go back to the saturation and do the same. Make it clipping marks, select your colorize, and you can decide any color you want to use. Increase the saturation. I'm making use of this color similar to orange. So you have something, you have a glowing world map. Let's go back to hood and saturation. This time we are going to reduce the lighting very low to get the background darker. So when you have something like this, close it, select your marks, change your background color to black, then your opacity to 15%. Then start clicking around the place you want the light to shine. Just click it little light, little, and you get that side brighten up. So when you have something like this, keep clicking, but it also depends on your image. When you have something like this, go to your first layer, duplicate it. After duplicating, drag it down. When you drag it down, press Ctrl I to invert it. When you have it like that, make sure you change your background color to white, and your opacity same as 15%. You can come and be clicking the place lightly to get the color reflecting. Just take your time clicking it light, it gets better look. But it all depends on your image. You can increase the opacity if you want, and leave it like this if you want. So I'm using 15% for this image, but I'm going to still increase it because I'm not really getting what I want. Just still be clicking. I will increase it now to 20% to bring more effect on the image. I just opened the channel last 2 months. You guys should help me by subscribing and sharing so I can improve the video quality and even the audio sound. Thank you. Please subscribe. I normally release tutorial every week, so consider subscribing so you don't miss out my next tutorial. Kindly click the subscribe button and click the bell so anytime I release tutorial you get a notification on your phone. Thank you. So you have something like this, a glowing light effect. When you have something like this, you select all your layers and group them. When you have grouped them, then go to color lookup. This color lookup really help pictures, so you look for the one that is going to fit your picture. So I'm looking for the one that is going to make the picture really good. So make sure you follow closely to get your picture good. So the effect is too much. I'm going to reduce the opacity to 80%. Yes, I think that will be better for me. But you can, if your image is darker, can reduce it to that kind of 50%. So congratulations, the work is done. So please subscribe for me. Any question, leave a comment below. I will immediately reply you. Thank you.